Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best solid-body electric guitars is probably one of the most versatile and iconic instruments in modern music, offering a vast spectrum of sounds and playing experiences that have shaped genres from rock and blues to metal and pop. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for your next stage companion or a budding musician taking your first electrifying steps into the world of amplified sound, understanding the nuances of these instruments is key to unlocking your true sonic potential and finding the perfect axe that speaks to your soul and inspires your creativity. Number 5. Yamaha Pacifica Pack 12 Electric Guitar. Introducing the Yamaha Pacifica Pack 12 in a captivating metallic blue finish. This guitar is designed for both style and performance, making it a standout choice for any musician. It features a solid agatha body, known for its warm and resonant tonal qualities. This provides a full and balanced sound that inspires creativity. The maple bolt-on neck offers a comfortable playing experience with its smooth feel. Paired with a sonicling fingerboard, it ensures effortless note transitions and clear articulation. Explore a world of sonic possibilities with its vintage tremolo system. You can add subtle vibrato or dramatic dives to your playing with ease. With a convenient 5-position switch, you have access to a wide range of tones. From bright and punchy to warm and mellow, it adapts to any musical genre. Discover the exceptional playability and versatile sound of this instrument. It's ready to help you express your unique musical voice. What we like. This guitar offers a classic feel with its agatha body and maple neck. The vintage tremolo system adds expressive capabilities. If you are looking for a reliable instrument with a comfortable playing experience and the ability to add vibrato effects, this is a great choice. What people say. First fretwork is amazing, beautifully polished, tops and ends, the fretboard edge is even beveled slightly, a nice upgrade touch. The neck is straight and true, so far no fret buzzing even after lowering the action. The body is full size but not overly heavy, the neck is slim and has a relatively flat 13 radius, accordingly it plays easily and smooth like an Ibanez. The guitar sounds great, all the frets appear to be cut well and the strings ring properly at every position. All the switches and knobs are responsive and feel like they are of high quality. Number 4. LyxPro 39-inch SB Series Electric Guitar. Embark on your musical adventure with this beginner-friendly electric guitar. It's designed for players of all levels, offering a professional experience right from the start. Crafted from quality hardwood, this instrument boasts a comfortable, lightweight design with a cool vintage look. Its construction ensures both durability and peak sound performance. Experience a perfect blend of comfort, style, and playability. Its classic design and quality hardware deliver a dynamic range of gorgeous tones, from warm and mellow to thick and cutting. Easily experiment with different sound intensities using the built-in rotary control knobs. It also features a signature headstock with sealed tuners for added strength and dust prevention. Connect to your favorite amplifier and be ready for the stage in no time. This legendary 6-string is perfect for solo play, jamming with friends, or performing live. Give the gift of music with this versatile instrument. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for aspiring musicians of all ages. What we like. This instrument is designed to kickstart your musical journey, offering a professional feel right from the start. Its solid mahogany body and LP style provide a classic look and sound. If you are a beginner or intermediate player seeking an affordable yet high-quality guitar with all the necessary accessories to begin playing, this is the perfect option. What people say. The guitar has a comfortable neck profile that makes playing for extended periods a breeze. Its pickups deliver a versatile tonal range, suitable for various music genres. The solid body construction contributes to excellent sustain and resonance. Number 3. IYV-ILS 300O Electric Guitar. Experience the flawless construction of our guitars, meticulously crafted by advanced CNC machines. Each instrument is programmed for perfection, ensuring an unparalleled playing experience. Discover the perfect neck, designed for ultimate comfort and playability. We've minimized imperfections to provide you with a truly superior feel. This instrument boasts impressive specifications, delivering outstanding performance and tone. It's built to meet the demands of serious musicians. Admire the captivating ocean blue finish on this right-handed solid-body electric guitar. Its vibrant color is as striking as its sound. Trust in the quality that IYV provides. Our commitment to precision and excellence is evident in every detail of this instrument. What we like. Precision is key with this instrument, as all guitars are meticulously crafted using CNC machines for unparalleled accuracy. The neck is engineered for exceptional playability with minimal defects. If you prioritize flawless construction and a consistently high-quality playing experience, this guitar is an excellent selection. What people say. Neck is comfortable with no sharp frets, no dead spots. The frets are finished nicely, the heel carve makes access so much nicer. The pickups genuinely sound vintage, very nice, crisp and sweet cleans, but they have enough bite to give you a heavy rock tone if you want it. Number 2. Pyle Prog Rock EG Series Electric Guitar with Amp Kit. Introducing the Pyle Prog Rock EG Series Electric Guitar. It's a full-size instrument designed for the demands of progressive rock music. Experience unparalleled comfort with its low-profile neck and body. This design allows for effortless navigation across the fretboard, perfect for fast and technical playing. Discover a world of sound with its dual humbucker pickups. They deliver rich tonality and versatility, offering enhanced clarity and dynamic range for your music. Crafted from solid paulownia wood, this guitar is built for durability and elegance. Its striking appearance is complemented by premium hardware and a high-gloss finish. Get everything you need to start playing immediately. This comprehensive kit includes a 10W amplifier, essential accessories, and more. What we like. Designed for the progressive player, this guitar features a low-profile neck for effortless fretting and dual humbucker pickups for a powerful sound. The included amp kit means you can start playing immediately. If you are drawn to fast, technical playing styles and want a complete package to dive into rock music, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The guitar has a comfortable neck profile that allows for easy playing, even for extended periods. Its versatile sound options make it suitable for a wide range of musical genres, from rock to blues. The build quality is excellent, with solid hardware and a beautiful finish that feels premium. Number 1. Ibanez GO-GRX 70QA Sunburst. Introducing the Ibanez GO-GRX 70QA in a beautiful sunburst finish. Its quilted maple art grain top adds a touch of elegance. Experience powerful sound with its high-output Infinity R pickups. This guitar is designed to deliver a versatile and dynamic playing experience. It boasts classic Ibanez styling with chrome hardware for a timeless look. Enjoy stable tuning and a comfortable playing feel. The HSH pickup configuration offers a wide range of tones. Combined with a synchronized tremolo, it provides exceptional sonic versatility. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate player, this instrument is crafted with sound quality, comfort, and ease of use in mind. Ibanez believes that creating music at any level inspires passion. Pick up this instrument and let your creativity flow. What we like. This guitar boasts a stunning quilted maple art grain top and high-output Infinity R pickups for a versatile sound. Its HSH pickup configuration offers a wide tonal palette. If you appreciate eye-catching aesthetics combined with flexible sound options and reliable performance, this instrument is a fantastic option for both beginners and intermediate players. What people say. The guitar has a comfortable neck profile that makes playing for extended periods a breeze. Its pickups deliver a versatile sound, suitable for various genres from blues to rock. The solid body construction contributes to excellent sustain and a rich tone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.